Hi, my name is Cheryl with expertvillage.com, and today we're talking about black bean salsa. It's so delicious and so good for you. And one of the things you can do, we talked about having it just with a bunch of chips and dip, how it's really popular that way. Or you can take a big bowl of it and just go ahead and put it completely down on a plate like this and just kind of spread it around. It has all that really pretty nice cilantro in there, and you can add just basically whatever you would really like. And then I'm going to put some shredded cheese. This is a 4 Mexican cheese blend, 4 cheese Mexican blend, and I'm just going to put it around here. And this can almost become like a Mexican layer dip. It's so delicious. And when you use cheese and beans together, that creates a complete protein. So you can be a vegetarian and still have complete proteins, have excellent protein in your diet without ever having to eat any meat.